coming out of the cold winter and multiple snow days, we knew we needed to make spring sprung, so I had to find a super duper crack team of individuals to christen this championship season of Cardinal baseball. The first thing I had to find was a DJ. DJ Night Moves.
Who said they wanted to play Def Leppard? Def Leppard sucks. Def Leppard is bubblegum rock and roll.
Secondly, I went hunting for an audio-visual wizard. I needed a man with panache and vision. Introducing Johnny A.
I'm just trying to make this show interesting. You know? I am completely sorry that this is annoying.
Last but not least, we needed our wild card. The man with the plan. Advanced analytics. We call him the Fever.
In anticipation of this tonight, I had this weird dream about David Freese. When you're talking about the National League, when you're talking about the National League, what is a designated hitter?
This summer, your one-stop shop for everything Cardinals and classic rock is Bird Calls. Stay tuned, and we'll see you on the web.
I agree with. Can you make a call?
I can't think of anybody else right now that has 7 screws in their ankle that I personally know.
Dave Daniel is the strongest man you know. Make a call on that. Call.
Dave Daniel's not the strongest man.
I wish you guys would pause more between saying 7 screws in his ankle. You're missing an opportunity.
7 screws in his ankle.
This stuff's gonna write itself. Too. This is gonna be money.